Welcome to Kyrios. So what we wanted to do here with the AI Ads Manager is simplify everybody's life. We at Kyrios, we get loads of people that have been saying, "Oh, I use ad managers," or "Oh, I've tried ads and they didn't work. I did Google ads or Facebook ads or whatever, and these things didn't work." Or I used an ad agency for a little while and things just weren't going well, so I canceled that out. Or we see a lot of people that are running ads regularly and they're just not really getting what they need. So the concept of the AI Ads Manager, pretty simply, is the idea of taking AI, taking the human out of it in essence, taking AI, having AI have the capacity to be able to do the research, to be able to do the setup, to be able to do the structuring, so on and so forth. And so we wanted to make it super, super, super easy for this kind of stuff. So when you get into the AI Ads Manager, you quite literally choose your platform. You can connect platforms up here for wherever you have ads. And here we'll see the AI's already set a goal of conversions. It already knows the website. We can add a campaign name if we want. You see here, we already have all the targeting has been created for it. The AI comes up with targeting. If you wanted to get more specific in your targeting, you simply click edit and put whatever you want, right? So down here we have our creatives, right? So the AI will offer suggestions on creatives. You can choose your own creatives, or you could even use our subscription to Shutterstock. So if you wanted a video on something specific or images or whatever, you can simply search it. And all of the fees are paid for this by us through Shutterstock. So no worries about that. You notice how all this stuff is already populated in. Now, AI copywriter actually writes all the headlines, the primary text for you, and creates our call to action. So once this stuff is done, you notice the AI handles all of it. So the AI has went out, has done research to find out what types of ads are performing well. It's done the research to figure out what types of things are popping up very well here. It went through and actually learned. So it read the URL here, learned all about the company, learned all about the offer, learned all about everything it needs to learn about so it can create these things. Now, all that we have to do left is figure out what do we want our budget to be. So if you wanted it to be $5 a day, $10 a day, $100 a day, whatever it may be, and then quite literally the only thing we have left to do is click create. Now, if we wanted to go back and see what the AI is doing in action, I can click rewrite here, or I can click generate a whole new ad, right? So when you first start, you plug in your URL, you tell us what the business or product that you want to offer is, what's the name of it, or what's the name of the company. Click generate description. The AI will actually write the description for you. Then you click generate content. And now you can see what this is doing live. So the AI is currently actually visiting and analyzing the website, determining what it's all about, learning about the business, the industry. It's actually doing research here. When it says generating content, it's researching things like Facebook's ad library, those types of things to be able to determine what is working well now. And it's in the process right now of generating the specific ad copy for you. It's going to write that ad copy in a way that people are going to click. And then it's going to find that specific target audience. And we're right back to here where everything is written for us. We choose our budget, click create, and we're good to go. That's how simple it is. And once you have this going, the AI Ads Manager actually manages these ads on a daily basis. So you can see from this right here, if we click add combinations, these are all the different ad combinations. It's going to create all these different ads all at one time. It's going to automatically A/B test every one of them, and it's going to check and make sure that all of this stuff is going to work well. It'll choose the best performing ads and shut off the underperforming ads. Not only will it do that, but if you go back and look here, so if I created ads in Google search, in Facebook, in Google display, and let's say I created some Instagram ads as well, I can actually have the AI automatically actually optimize budget across platforms. So if Instagram's not performing very well, but Facebook is performing well, the AI will pull budget from Instagram and apply it to Facebook, right? So similar to the way a full-time professional ads manager, if you were to hire them for daily work on you, on your business, and hire them as a full-time staff member, that's what this thing's going to do for you at a tiny, tiny, tiny fraction of the cost.